I can hear Ross in here grinding away on his old motor mount. Boy, that stuff stinks. I got this Mustang covered up with plastic. Yeah, I finished covering it up before I start spraying. So let's keep all his dust off that he's grinding with. He got one of the motor mounts already took apart on one side. He's working pretty good on it. Like he's about ready for another wheel. Run out of wheel there, Ross? Need a hammer?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
That's better on this one.
There's your hammer. There you go. Now we're going to move this up about an inch. We're going to leave that part of the motor mount on. And he's going to make a new bracket to go in front of it up here. And weld it on, and we'll move the motor forward that about 1.5 inches, which is great. Because we can have plenty of room up here for the motor to clear, and he can go ahead and get this firewall welded in while we got the motor out. So it's coming along great. And that's what you call putting them together and taking them apart a bunch of times before you get everything right. That's part of building a car and taking something old and making it updated. Just trial and error and make it fit. She's going to be pretty when we get her all put together.